Yo. Back with another video here of the 110. This is where I keep it. Oh. Oh yeah. There. Oh. Close this. Come over here to try not to make too much noise around the house. Choke. Key would probably help. Man. Should be first kick. Oh. I guess not. Sometimes it idles, sometimes it doesn't. Lowest idle. Uh-oh. A little bit cold. She's puffing. Yeah, a little change of scenery. Buddy I work with came out, but yeah, so yeah. Today's video, probably gonna go for a little drive. Just explore, do pit bike things. Found a little place down there. And then on Google Earth, I found another place. So, gonna go over towards there after. Sorry for the quality. It's on iPhone, so bear with me. Oh yeah. Carburetor life. I went down here yesterday, but there's no way to make it in. Oh shit. Because, well, I could go down there, but like, I'm not gonna go through the trees because I'm gonna get my feet wet. So, the other day I found a better way. That's what I found then I found this way. But I don't know if I trust that. Go the same way I went the other day. Bike almost got stuck in the grass. No, it's not there though. Where? Where in the hell could it be? Let's do a little lap. Apparently people used to, like, I don't know, ride horses around here or something. Now, dirt bike trail. That's where we're gonna go later. A lot of deer around here. Oh. Oh no, that's not here. Yeah, we could go down here. Pit bike things. Oh, oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's where I passed the other day. But this is the entrance, I think. Some pile of water after the rain. I might have to do this two-handed. I'll take you guys back out soon. So we decided not to go down there. It'll be a bad idea. So we're gonna go back this way. When I was looking for pit bikes, I kind of forgot there's more than just Honda in the world. I kind of want a KLX 110 with a clutch, but I don't know. It's kind of nice to have no clutch sometimes so you can do stuff like this, but I don't know. I miss the clutch. This is a nice little trail. Pretty slippery though. And so apparently there's a pit over there, and that's where I'm going to try to get to. Little tops. Almost fell there yesterday. I already went down that trail. It was pretty boring. Never came down this one. I don't know why. Oh, fuck. That's pretty fun. There's a jump. There's another trail down there too. I ate bugs. Oh. Damn. Oh yeah. Fun thing about small bikes and no clutch. So apparently there's like a pit over here somewhere. That's where I'm gonna try making. And I see tracks, so there's a hill climb over there. And I don't know where I am. What the hell? Seems like someone's been living here. No clue where I am. Ah. What the hell? I just did a big circle. That's exactly what I did. And I came out on a trail that I always wonder where it went to. Oh, this is a lot of side hilling. Oh, yeah. What the hell? I'm gonna stay here since I have a high point. I'll take this back out when I find the pits. So this is what I found. Not too bad, looks not too bad, but big sign. There's cameras here. So, oh, it's in gear. I don't deal with cameras, except for this one. But it's kind of a fun trail to come down. Almost dropped the phone, but I saved it. And yeah, you're gonna recognize this trail because we came on this a while ago. Oh. Oh, and the jump over here, I did it, and then my bike started to go bad right after I landed. I don't know why. So, I'm like, there's a parachute. Oh no, it's a fucking, I don't know what it was. Oh, so I'm gonna set this up somewhere and try film clips. Okay. Well, a little change in scenery again. The 110 is actually in Gaspé now. Here it is. We made a video with it yesterday with the 110 and the 250. But a little change in scenery because he actually did not end up filming him hitting that jump. So that's where the video is like gonna end right there. So I'm making this to make it clear on why the video just randomly stopped there. So hope you guys enjoyed that little video. It was a pretty dope video, but not like the other one because it was also filmed on an iPhone with one hand. But it was still pretty dope. If you're wondering, that video is actually filmed somewhere in Quebec. So he was probably totally lost on where he was. But if you look closely, we actually have not one Honda, not two Hondas, but three Hondas in here. And not here, but there's my other house, but at my other house over there, there's also another Honda dirt bike over there, the 250F. So we have 4 Hondas scattered all over my properties. Pretty dope. But yeah, we made a video with the 250R and the 110 and a Yamaha, Yamaha 250F yesterday. It was a pretty dope video. Currently gonna edit it soon, so it'll be out Thursday. This video is gonna get posted tomorrow on Tuesday. So hope you guys will enjoy it and stay tuned for next video on Tuesday. So it's gonna be pretty dope. FMF, not the FMF, Yoshi looks pretty good. And a little sneak peek news on my YZ450. I should be ready this Thursday or Wednesday coming. So that's pretty honestly dope. Full rebuild, everything. And I don't know you guys remember, but we actually had this the Summit. Yeah, it's been sitting on my yard in my yard on those milk crates since we installed these Fox shocks. We installed them like a month ago, and it's just, I left it in my yard sitting there because it was like a little decoration. And we also installed this mud flap. Currently waiting on my back bumper. Hopefully comes soon. I don't know. Maybe got scammed on that. I don't know. But now it's in my box in my truck because it looks cool. So probably leave it there for a little while for decoration. It's currently raining and snowing kind of mixture. So hopefully get some snow soon. It's snowing everywhere else, like Quebec, Matan, Maracville, all like there, except for Gaspé, sadly. There was a little bit of snow this morning on the ground, but obviously it's gone now. But honestly, probably take this sled to BRP maybe in the next few days. Just get it checked over, get it ready for the winter, so I don't have any issues. My track is getting pretty banged up. It's probably a student time for a new track, but yeah, it's pretty dope sled. So all I had to say. Thought there was something bent there, but I mean, wouldn't surprise me if there was. Cause I did hit a culvert I did hit a culvert last year, but I destroyed my lower A-arm and got the handlebars to the guts, and I made out with my headlights when I flew over the handlebars, but that was fun. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that little short video of the 110 filmed on an iPhone with one hand. But
Hope you guys enjoyed it. Drop a like. Stay tuned for Thursday's video, if I can say it properly. So thanks for watching, and see you.